Now this illustration deals with dual fed services, again in accordance with 250.24A3. Again, 250.24 deals with services and outside transformer. Now, notice dual fed kind of is illustrated there. You're bringing in a power supply, and then you're hitting a tap can and you're feeding at two different panel boards there. And then those two panel boards are grounded into an electrode system in accordance with 250.24A3 and Article 250 that deals and says, yes, two panel boards connected together with a common grounding electrode conductor or connected together provides an electrode system. So we see that. Now notice the transformer is grounded outside in accordance with 250.24A as an Apple II and 90.2B.2 of the National Electrical Safety Code. They kind of work together there. And then it's grounded at the service equipment by 250.24A1. So we have the two connections there that's required by 250.24A1 and A2, as well in this case 250.24A3 if connected in a dual fed type service arrangement. And that's what this figure 16-23 is illustrating.